Okay guys, today we're going to do a simple karambit drill. It's a 3-step. He's going to go for my neck. I'm going to parry it. I'm going to go his neck. He's going to counter down. And it's going to be my turn. He's going to parry. He's going to go up. And I'm going to go down. It's 3 steps. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. My turn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. From the other side. So you're going to go angle out, go high, you go slow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Be accurate, make sure you go for the neck. Right there, I'm going to do the same thing. He's going to block it. He's going to open up my belly. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Make sure you have your right foot forward. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again. Stay close. Stay tight. Keep your elbows in. Nice and relaxed. When you relax, you can go a little bit faster. I hope you like that drill. We'll see you next time.